What's interesting here is it gives you the details of where you have the system programmed now for the suspension. In the at least the Model X, Model S that have air. See, it's programmed here for high. It lets you know whether it's high or very high. Actually, it's very high. Now that's high here. We're driving down the road, as you can see. So it's changing as we continue down the road. So it gives you a lot more information. There's a lot less guesswork than there used to be. There used to be a lot of guesswork with this. You weren't sure. See, now we're at very high. We're actually approaching a light. Whoa, why is it? Oh, that's why I gotta tell it to go through the light, and it's pouring down rain. No, I'm gonna stop. It's gonna stop for me. That's a yellow light. It won't let me go through. I signaled, you saw it. I signaled for it to go through the light and it wouldn't go through. It's smart enough to realize it's not gonna let me run a red light. And we're on 2020.32.2 doing that. I have to tap the accelerator. It won't start up on its own. It honked.